Today we are going to review this Update Certification Types link located under the Administration menu. Only employees with the Administrator User Type or our CME or Certification Administrator User role can access this screen here. So within this screen, administrators are able to add, delete, or edit the certifications that your agency tracks. You are able to make certain certifications required for your employees. And lastly, you can control the reminder notifications that go out to employees to ensure that their certifications do not expire. So at the very top of the screen here, you'll use this blue plus icon to, of course, add a new certification. Within this screen, the very first field that you'll fill out is the name of your certification. The next field here, reminder, this is what controls how many days before the employee's certification expires do we begin sending out reminder notifications. So the default is 90 days, but of course you can click into this field or use these arrows on the right here to adjust that number. Now, these reminder notifications are sent through the eSchedule program. That means if employees are using the web version of eSchedule, they'll receive a pop-up notification upon login, or if they're using the mobile app, they will receive a mobile app notification. Your employees' certification expiration dates are also stored on their dashboard, so they can always refer back to that information. Now, below the reminder field, you are going to find a list of the positions that you currently have available on your schedule and within your eSchedule site. So this section here allows you to mark a certification as required for a specific position. So what that means is if you have an employee who is cleared for this admin position, as an example, and they have a CPR certification, they are required to have that CPR certification in order to work. If they let that certification expire, we do restrict the employee's account automatically. So those restrictions do include preventing the employee from clocking in or clocking out unless that certification expiration date is updated or extended, or if the certification is removed completely. So keep that restriction in mind when deciding whether or not to mark a certification as required. Now below your position list here, of course, you'll click that blue add button to add that certification, or you can cancel out those changes. Now on this screen, of course, you can also click on any of your existing certifications to review the information, delete the certification, or make any updates. So again, you can make changes here to those top two fields, the name of the certification or the reminder setting. And you can decide whether or not you'd like to make changes here by just checking or unchecking any of those position boxes. At the very bottom, that's where you'll see the update tool. This will allow you to save those changes. Again, you can delete a certification or cancel out anything that you've done. Now, as with most of our reporting tools, you have the option here to export this table to Excel. You have a search bar here. If you do have a long list of certifications, this might be helpful for locating what you need to find. Last but not least, I do want to point out this note towards the top of the screen here. This tool, Update Certification Types, is where you go to update the general certifications, again, that your agency tracks. But if you need to update certification data for a specific employee, you'll need to do that from the employee's profile. So you can use the quick link here. This will take you to our user management screen. Or, of course, you can access user management directly from this administration menu. If you have any questions about tracking certifications, those restrictions or requirements, or those reminder settings, please do not hesitate to reach out to the eSchedule support team. We are more than happy to help.